What if an AI video upscaler could do more than just sharpen your footage? Today, we'll test Astra 2 and see how well it adds realistic details to different kinds of videos. So this is the official Topaz Labs website where you can access Astra 2. I'll simply click on Launch Astra, then select Upload Video. On the settings panel, I'll choose Creative Mode and select the latest Astra 2 model. Next, we can adjust the creative strength. A higher value allows Astra 2 to generate more new details in your footage, so it's usually best to keep it around the sweet spot rather than pushing it too high. Then I'll set the sharpness to around 3. In the prompt box, we simply need to describe what's happening in the scene so the AI can better understand the content and generate more accurate, realistic visuals. I'll set the output resolution to 4K to preserve the highest possible quality. For frame interpolation, Astra 2 can generate up to 120 fps, but I'll choose 60 fps to keep the motion smooth. Since I don't want slow motion, I'll leave that option unchanged. Now I'll click Render. Just look at the upscale result. Astra 2 really nailed it. It enhanced the video with realistic detail while avoiding noticeable AI artifacts. The facial details, textures, and overall image quality look incredibly natural. Now let's test Astra 2 in a different scenario and find the best settings for different types of footage. I'll upload an animated clip and once again select the Astra 2 model. This time, I'll set the creative strength to 3 and the sharpness to 4. After describing the scene in the prompt box, I'll keep the output resolution at 4K for the best quality and set the frame rate to 60 fps. Then I'll click Generate. You can clearly see the difference right away. The animation feels far more natural and lifelike, with smoother movements and realistic expressions. Every detail looks refined, and the overall visual quality is on a completely different level. Landscapes are usually much more challenging to upscale, so let's see how Astra 2 handles this type of footage. I'll set the creative strength to 4 and the sharpness to 4, then describe the scene with a prompt. I'll keep the output resolution at 4K, leave the frame rate at 24 fps, enable HDR, select the latest model, choose 10-bit ProRes, and then render the video. Just look at the results. Even with such a challenging scene, Astra 2 did an impressive job of enhancing the footage, and with HDR enabled, the video looks even more vibrant and natural. Take a look at the sky and the clouds. They appear much more realistic while maintaining a natural look. After testing Astra 2 across different types of footage, it's clear that it's built for creative upscaling rather than traditional sharpening. It performed especially well on AI-generated videos, landscapes, stylized content, and detailed textures. As with any AI model, the final results depend on the source footage, prompts, and settings. Hopefully, this walkthrough gave you a clear understanding of how Astra 2 works and where it performs best. Thanks for watching.